Swinging in today with a quick tutorial how to export a TikTok video without a watermark. It's really easy to do. TikTok has built an awesome built-in video editor, so this is how you can use it to edit other videos without the watermark bopping around the screen, which you probably don't want if you're posting it on other platforms like Instagram. Stay with me. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I promise practical advice to build your brand. You are here for a tutorial, so let's jump right into it. So there are a few ways to do this. Let me quickly go through the ways that I'm not going to show you today. That would be downloading an app on my mobile device, Apple or Android. When you go to the App Store, it's pretty overwhelming to see all of the options that are offered for this particular function, removing the watermark on a TikTok video. There are some apps that will do it, and there's some apps that will do it for free, but there's a lot of advertising and a lot of upsells, so I tend to avoid those. The best practice would be before posting the video that you're putting on TikTok would be to save a local version of that TikTok on your app or on your phone before it gets pushed to TikTok, and then it's got that watermark on it once published. So my recommendation would be save a copy to your phone before you post. That's the best practice. Now I'm going to assume this one that you want is already posted, so it's too late to be able to do that. I'm going to show you how I can quickly grab a TikTok just like this, and by going to the website that I have found that I think is the best is this one, which you can access on a browser. I tend to like to do things from my desktop computer, so the app is called SSSTIK. I don't know how you would pronounce that, but basically you would paste the TikTok link that I just grabbed over from TikTok. I brought up TikTok in my browser window and then pulled that URL from the toolbar. So I'll click download. Here it gives me a few options. I can do without watermark. I can do without watermark HD. That sounds like a good option. I will click that one. And of course, because it's a free service, it's going to give you some advertising. You can just click close on that, and you can see that my TikTok is already being downloaded in the bottom corner. Now let me quickly open that to make sure that it's looking great. There we go, and it looks fantastic, and best of all, and most importantly, it does not have that watermark. That is how you save a TikTok video without a watermark bopping around the screen. Easy enough, right? If you've got any lingering questions on this topic or other topics, comment below. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. I respond to those personally. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Next, I'm going to share a few videos that I think you'll be interested in. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.